Today we are doing a build that is completely different, something that you guys have never seen before on this channel. We had a company reach out to us and they wanted to create us a custom arcade machine themed towards the Designs by IFR channel. Now they go under the name Retro Play, and I'll leave their link in the video description. They also have a YouTube channel which show you guys how they make some of these machines and playing them as well and testing them out. So I'll also leave their YouTube channel in the video description. Now I'm super excited to show you guys this custom arcade machine, and we're gonna be building a PC today inside the Antec Draco 10 case, which is a nice small form factor case with really good airflow. It's gonna fit really nice inside this arcade machine. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get on building. Make sure you use our links in the video description if you're on Amazon. I'll leave all of the specs there. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now a quick word from today's video sponsor. Today's video sponsor is Mech Arena. Mech Arena is a 5v5 mech shooter with bright maps, customizable mechs you can take into epic PvP battles, and best of all, I can invite anyone to come and play with me. Players can get cool, unique, and personalized content in Mech Arena. Show off your mechs with customizable skins in battle and unlock new ones in the Fortune Vault. You can even play around with different paint jobs. You can also get different mechs and different weapon combinations. I personally like this mech's customization because it allows me to jump in and out of battles, and it's badass. See what weapons you would like to use in PvP and see what works to fit your personal fighting style. There are a load of events happening in-game right now, all the way through the month, where you can get a bunch of new weapons. This includes Mech Arena's hottest new weapon, the disc launcher. On top of that, there is also a ton of special Halloween events to take part in, and you get a chance at winning some epic Halloween skins. Moreover, there is a great login rewards program, so don't miss the opportunity. It is completely free to play on Android or iOS right now. Don't forget to use my personal link or scan my QR code to get 1 Forest Digital skin, 200 A coins, and 10,000 credits to help kickstart your game. Our viewers can also add me to their friends list in-game, so don't wait around, and I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed that PC build and also the custom arcade machine. If you want to check out their website, I'll leave that in the video description. I highly recommend just going to browse their website and see some of the amazing stuff that they create. Also, their YouTube channel down below. Bit more content on there, so you can check out on how all of these are made and some of them in action. It's really fantastic. Also, Antec with the Draco 10 case, an absolutely amazing case with really good airflow. All of the specs will be in the description, guys, so go check it out there. Anyway, we really appreciate your support, guys. If you want to further support the channel, YouTube channel membership links or Patreon is in the description below. It helps us out at little cost to you, so we really appreciate it, guys. Consider hitting that subscribe button, check out more videos on the channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.